Hi guys, great morning everyone. This is Yuba Simaja, Senior Functional Wellness Coach from Wilson's Health Community. So many of my clients ask me like, ma'am, can I exfoliate my skin every day? Can I use the scrub every day? So with respect to usage of scrub, it differs from person to person based their skin type. For example, if anyone is having normal skin or dry skin, okay, they can use the scrub once in a month or once in every 15 days. And if you have lot of acne, it's better to avoid regular usage. And if your skin has more oil, that means if you have a lot of sebum secretion and yours is an oily skin, then you can use it once in a week to clean and exfoliate all your skin cells. So if still you have any doubts, you can message me in the phone number. Definitely I shall guide you regarding usage of